In this video, let me show you how to use Perplexity AI with WhatsApp. If you don't want to download the application or open up a web browser, you can directly chat with Perplexity right through your WhatsApp application. So if this video sounds helpful, make sure you watch it until the end and let's get straight in the video. Open up the WhatsApp app. Now what you can do is open up the message yourself section so that you can paste in this number. So make sure you typed in this number exactly. This is the exact number for Perplexity. You can just type this in and then hit send. So you'll be able to tap on this number and tap on chat with. As you can see, it directly opens up the account of Perplexity where you can start off chatting. If you do not see the me section where you can send yourself a message, what you can also do is save this number. Tap on this plus icon on the bottom right. Tap on new contact and you can again paste in this number. Name this contact anything that you want and then hit save. You can search up the name and you can see the chat now opens up. You can now use it normally as you do for asking in anything. You can even generate images as it says right here. And there you go. This is the way that you use Perplexity right inside of WhatsApp. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.